Hello, folks. I'm Rodney Hathaway, Chief Investment Officer here at Waukesha State Bank Wealth Management. Welcome to our November edition of Market Chats. When we sifted through the topics of interest for the month of November, there was one that had been brought up repeatedly in our client conversations. The topic we'd like to discuss in today's chat is artificial intelligence, and specifically the level of capital spending that is devoted to growing this capability. We chose this subject because of its importance in not only today's markets, but we believe the impact it will have for years to come. The magnitude of dollars being invested in technology infrastructure and AI applications is astounding. If we look at the top four hyperscalers, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta, the combined capital expenditures in 2025 will be roughly $355 billion. The spending is up 52% from the $233 billion last year for the same four companies. Capital spending is forecasted to ramp even further in 2026 to $404 billion. Most of this capital spending is being directed towards AI capability. Investors have seen other capital spending cycles over the past 30 years, including the internet and networking investments made in the early 90s, the broadband build-out of the early 2000s, as well as the shift to cloud computing during the 2010s. With every dollar spent, there is a return expected by the investor. Therefore, the most obvious question is, when can investors expect a reasonable return from this unprecedented investment cycle? As with every burgeoning industry, it's often difficult to predict how the competitive landscape will unfold in the years to come. How will the companies investing in AI be able to monetize those investments, or how quickly will the technology become commoditized? Lisa Su, the CEO of Advanced Micro Devices, recently gave an interview on CNBC where she discussed the market opportunity for the company's technology. Advanced Micro Devices, otherwise known as AMD, is a leading company in the manufacturing of AI semiconductors. She mentioned in the interview that a few years ago, Wall Street analysts thought the opportunity might be in the hundreds of billions of dollars. But because of the uptake in AI usage, they now see the opportunity north of $1 trillion. In speaking with its top enterprise customers this year, Lisa Su said they are seeing an inflection point in AI being utilized in day-to-day operations. In other words, companies are better understanding how and where to use AI to improve business processes and improve productivity. As this understanding grows, we believe that adoption and implementation of AI will accelerate growth for the industry over the next few years. I was at an investment conference a week ago where it was pointed out that AI used in medical diagnostics had improved accuracy from around 63% to over 96%. While it's difficult to conduct a cost-benefit analysis on human life and health in this example, adoption of AI will dramatically change how most all companies will do business going forward. As investment opportunities ebb and flow for this dynamic industry, our research team here at Waukesha State Bank is continually evaluating the merits and valuations of the various companies in the AI ecosystem. Often, the companies that benefit the most from an investment cycle are those that provide the building blocks and tools for the technology to be implemented, those selling the picks and shovels, so to speak. AMD would be a good example of one of those companies providing the tools for the AI industry to grow. While the magnitude of money being spent on technology today is unprecedented, we believe the global economy is still in the very early stages of AI being implemented in real-life use cases. We are only beginning to imagine how businesses will operate with this new technology over the next decade. As always, we would love to have a more in-depth discussion with you on this topic of AI or any other investment theme. So please reach out to one of our advisors. Again, thank you for tuning in this month, and we look forward to future chats with you.